Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to lesson 7 of your AdWords Mastery Home Study course. So in this lesson, we are going to look at three major topics: location targeting, scheduling and devices. So let's get started. Location targeting. So when you are running your ad, there is a possibility to target your ad based on the locations. So certain cities will have higher competition. It can have a 10 to 20% higher bid as well. It depends on experimentation and you have to take the call here. So location based bid adjustments is only available in enhanced campaigns. You have to enable all features in the campaign. I will show it to you how it is done. So you can also exclude locations. That helps in excluding only certain locations. So if you are running a pan-India campaign and let's say your particular product is not eligible for sale in a particular state, that you can exclude it here. So let's get on to a live demo and I will show you how it works. So here I am inside my AdWords account. So here to enable all features, you have to go into settings, all settings. And here you make sure that all features are enabled. If your campaign is standard type, these settings are not available. So switch on to all features and click on save. And now you have this tab called locations. So here we can add additional locations. Let's say for Mumbai, let's assume that I am getting higher quality leads from Mumbai and more customers from Mumbai. I can add a location here. And click on save. And here we have Mumbai, Maharashtra. So I can increase the bid by 20% here. So if I increase the bid by 20%, whatever bid I have set up in the default setting, that bid will get increased by 20%. So I can add more locations here if I want. So let's say I want to increase Bangalore bid by 10%. I can set it here. So this is how location targeting works. You can, even while setting up the ad, you can set up the ad for a specific location. Like for example, if you are running a campaign which is specific to Mumbai, while setting up the ad itself, you can set up the location as well. That particular location can also be changed under settings. So here you can create specific ad groups and specific campaigns for different locations. Another feature that is available is ad scheduling. So you can show ads only on certain times and certain days of the week. This also is only available in enhanced campaigns with all features. So this works well for stores and offline businesses, and even for certain online businesses. If your business is not going to be running on a Sunday and if people are not going to pick up calls, you can switch it off on the weekends. So let's look inside the AdWords account how it works. So to do ad scheduling, click on the add schedule button. So here you can add a new schedule. Click on add schedule. Create a custom schedule. You can make it Monday to Friday and exclude the weekends. You can make it up to 9 p.m. 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. normal business working hours, where support will also be functional, and you can click on save. And this shows when your ad will be displayed. It will be displayed from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. from Monday to Friday. So this is how you can do ad scheduling on your AdWords account. The next is device targeting. So by default, Google wants to show your ads on all devices. So when you set up a campaign, Google will show your ads on desktops, computers, mobiles and tablets as well. But this is not always recommended. What you can do is that if you are targeting users on mobile and on desktop separately, create separate campaigns for that and set bids accordingly. So there is not a default option to switch off mobile, but there is a workaround. What you can do is set minus 100% bids for the devices that you do not want. So I will show you this inside the AdWords account how it is done. So here I am in my AdWords account again. So what you have to do is click on the devices tab and once you click on the devices tab, here you will have options for doing bid adjustment. So let's say this particular campaign is targeted only at desktop users. The numbers for desktop users will be a little bit different, because in desktop you basically get higher quality clicks. People who are using desktop are more higher quality users. So here I am targeting only computers. So I can just keep it nil for computers, no bid adjustment. For mobile devices and tablet devices, I have put as minus 100%. So this particular campaign is targeted only to computers. So if you want this particular campaign to be targeted only to mobiles, what you can do is that you can decrease the bid for computers by 100%. And for mobile devices, you can set it at 0%, which is no change. And if you want to target tablets devices with full browsers also, you can do it from here. So this is how device targeting works in AdWords. In general, AdWords does not want you to go ahead and create computer only targeted ads and mobile only targeted ads. Earlier they used to have these targeting options, but now they have removed it and only bid adjustment is available. But still, I would recommend that when you are creating campaigns, create it separately for mobile and desktop. Conversions from mobile will be a little bit lesser, but the cost will also be lesser, so you can set the bids accordingly. So that's it for this video and this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.